Alright, got my size 0 screwdriver. That fits much better. It'll only work on that screw though, so I'll just move that one out of the way. Get my size 1 screwdriver again. I'll continue taking out these screws. So once we get the top case off, we can then see the motherboard with its integrated video chip, CPU and I/O chip. Some of these screws won't come out straight away, so they're in quite well. So you'll just have to wedge them out with a flat blade, as I'll do shortly. If you've got a magnetised screwdriver, it makes life a lot easier. So one came out, one didn't come out. Whoop! Be careful not to lose screws. Definitely not recommended. Whoop! In the air. Well, that one just fell off the table. Whoops. Never mind. There it is. Alright, and then that's the screws from the top case. So now we can, remembering there's still some screws in the bottom side of this, we move the display back. Actually, we don't do that yet. There are 2 clips under the keyboard. So if you have a look, you can wedge this up. They seem to be directly under the trackpad, so just put this down. I'll show you where it is. Oops, nearly broke my trackpad button. You've got to be very careful here. There we go. It's alright, the trackpad button just clicks back in, so if you accidentally pop that up instead of the little black metal part underneath the plastic trackpad, it doesn't matter. Basically slide it along and... oh dear, that missed it. Let's do that again. They both popped up at the same time. It's been taken apart before, it's getting a little loose. Then we turn it around, and now we've got at the back here some more of these little clips. So you just blindly stab your screwdriver in and hope for the best. I'm sure there's some method to it. I'll have to put the camera down again. Can't get them. There we go. 1 in the middle and 2 on the outer side. So if you get the flat blade in, give it a 90-degree turn, it should pop them up. Alright, and then we'll flip it back around and I'll show you how to get to the motherboard.